Hello and welcome to Bottoms Down Chair Yoga for Everyone, the Donki Briefs series. I'm Carol. I'm glad you joined us today. Donki Briefs is all about taking a little break from your day, being kind to yourself, and moving through a few yoga poses and movements. And if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. Don't forget, it's free, and we'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment. So we're going to start seated. Make sure that you have you feel confident on the chair and that your feet are on the floor. And we're going to take our hands and we're going to place them on our shoulders. So we're going to lift those elbows up towards the ceiling. And then we're going to bring them out to the side. Squeeze your shoulder blades back behind. And then we're going to drop those elbows towards the floor. So you're hanging on here to your shoulders and feeling that stretch. So I'm getting a little bit of a massage, if you will, into the tops of those shoulders. Let's bring those elbows forward, touch, bring them up. Back we go, squeeze those shoulder blades behind you, and let those elbows fall down towards the floor. Let's bring those elbows up and touch. Up we go. Squeeze your shoulder blades behind you and let those elbows fall towards the floor. Now we're going to reverse it. So we're going to bring the elbows back first. Then we're going to take them up towards the ceiling. Then we're going to bring them forward and touch. And then we're going to let them fall to the floor. Let's do that again. Back we go. Squeeze those shoulder blades behind you. Fingertips up to the ceiling. Bring those elbows forward, touch if that feels okay, and down we go. We have one more. Up we go, squeeze the shoulder blades behind. And then we go up. And then we bring those elbows forward, maybe they touch. And down we go. Very good. Go ahead and release that. Should feel pretty good. Let's grab the chair behind us and lift our heart. So we're going to do a few neck stretches here. So if you'll squeeze your shoulder blades behind you, pull the shoulders down and squeeze. Now we're going to drop our ear towards our shoulder. So don't lose that squeeze behind, okay? So that's going to give you a little different stretch here for that neck. Let's drop our chin towards our chest. And we're going to go to the other side. And let's drop our chin to our chest. And then we're going to go to the other side one more time. Let's do chin to chest and opposite side. So the key to this one is keeping that shoulder blade squeeze behind. Final time. Look down. Ear to shoulder. Look down. Ear to shoulder. Oh, that should feel so good. All right, let's release that. Very, very good. Okay, so we're going to come to a standing position. And you can just be to the right side of your chair, or if you want to be behind it, it's fine. Either is fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to interlace our fingers and bring them behind our head. So nice open through the shoulders. And I want you to think about lifting up through the chest, okay? So your feet are, about hip distance apart. I want you to feel like you're stable, right? So feel like that stability. Your belly is tight. Your hands are back behind. Squeeze those shoulder blades back behind you. Okay, now we're just slowly going to tuck our chin, round our spine, and begin to look down at the floor, pulling gently on the head, letting those elbows fall towards the floor. So not only am I feeling a little stretch in my neck, but I'm getting a nice back stretch as well. So now we're going to lift back up, and we're going to bring those elbows wide again. Bring them back, squeeze behind, lift up. Maybe you look up just a little bit. And then we're going to bring those elbows in, tucking the chin, rounding the spine, letting the head fall, looking down at the floor. So gravity here is helping pull gently on that head as you get a little extra neck stretch and the back is stretching. Let's do that one final time. We're going to lift up. Big stretch here, right? Really feeling that openness through the chest and the upper back. The arms are stretching, the shoulders are stretching, and then down we go. Pull that belly in. Remember, relaxing through the jaw. Checking in, is the forehead furrowed, right? So we want to relax all the facial muscles. We're feeling the stretch. We have one more breath here. Then we're going to come up nice and slow. Good. Let's go ahead and bring our hands down, and then we're going to have a seat. And thank you so much for joining for Donki Briefs today. I hope to see you again very soon.